Hi everyone. In this tutorial, let's talk about how to grow your following on Facebook from whatever it is to as much as possible with this formula that I'm going to be showing you. So I recently did a tutorial to talk about how to achieve this with Instagram ads. And if you would like to watch that tutorial, find the link in the comment section below or in the description. Now let's get straight into the business of it now. So you know how Facebook now enables you to convert your main Facebook account into a professional mode that gives you access to business features and ability to boost posts or run ads. Before now, this feature was only available for Facebook pages. One of my favorite feature of the professional mode is that I can run ads to grow my following, and the ads can be set up all from your smartphone. So this tutorial is going to be pretty short, but before I go on, I want to tell you about my Facebook ads course for smartphone users called Over Simple Facebook and Instagram Ads for smartphone users. So I decided to create this course to address the many issues people face when trying to create ads from their smartphone. So in this course, you're going to be learning everything that there is to learn about running ads, including how to resolve common Facebook ads payment issues. So the course is currently selling for $5. That's about 5,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, right? So I'm going to be leaving a link to my WhatsApp in the description of this video so you can reach me if you want the course or if you have any other question to ask. So it's actually a current price. So just note that at the time you might be coming across this video, the price would have increased. All right. So you can leave a comment for me saying you'd like to get it, or you can just come to me on WhatsApp and chat with me. All right. So now back to our tutorial. Before you can set up ads on a professional mode to get followers, you would have had to convert your account into professional mode, of course. All right. So to do that is very simple. If your account is not currently on professional mode, so all you just have to do is to go to the three dotted icon on your account and then click on turn on professional mode. All right. So I'm going to be showing you that shortly. So here's an account we're going to be using for this tutorial, and it's already been converted to professional mode. So I'm just going to come to this three dotted line right here, and then I'll come to turn on professional mode because it's already on professional mode. I'll click on turn on professional mode. All right. So once it's turned on to professional mode, you're going to be getting, that is if it's for the first time, you're going to be getting some guidelines on how to use your professional account. All right. But then some of the posts that you have already made previously on your account, you may not be able to boost them or run ads to them. All right. But in subsequent posts they're going to be making, they will be eligible for, boosting or running ads to them. So essentially, it's not all posts that you make that are going to be eligible for boosting or running ads to them. All right. But then the method I want to show you is to actually grow your following. So look at this account. This person has 169 followers. So if you do this and you follow it through consistently, you put money into running these ads for a longer period, say 1 month, between a period of 1 month or two. All right. Anyways, also dependent on how much you're going to be putting into the ads, right? So you're going to be skyrocketing your followers from what it is now to how much you want it to actually be. All right. So I'll click on promote profile. And then I'll come to create new ad. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to select the goal that I want to use for this ad. So I'll click on the goal and I'm going to click on get more followers. All right, so you can see. So note that it's not a particular post you're trying to post, you're trying to promote your entire profile. All right, so you come here and click on get more followers. All right, so it says create a promotion to help more people find and follow you. So it is good for traffic. So I'll just click on it and then I'll go on to set up other things. So how do you want your ad to look? So here is where I'm going to be writing the text for my ad. All right, so I can say something like follow me for more tips on how to make money online. Right, so I'll say follow me for more tips on how to make money online. Then I can come down to this image and okay, I thought it's actually possible to change this image. Probably it's not possible. Okay, we can actually choose an image, right? So we can come here and then upload a new image or choose an image from, image already existing on our account, right? So after you're done, you're satisfied with that. So the button is going to be the follow button. All right. So I'll scroll further down. And then here where it says advantage creative, say leverage Facebook's data to automatically deliver different. So you can just leave it on. So what this is going to do for you is that Facebook is going to actually deliver different variations of your creative, talking about the image and the copy, to different people at different points in time. Then here you're going to now select the audience you want to use for your ads, all right? So select the kind of audience you want to use for your ad. So if you already have an audience saved, you can also go on to use any of that. All right. So note that before you can actually run an ad, you need an ads account. So if you want to do all of this and you don't know how to go about it, say you're new to all of this, you would need to know how to learn. You would need to learn how to run Facebook ads from the scratch. And that is what my course actually offers you. All right. So all right, so you just come down straight down, but running ads from here is pretty straight to the point. But one of the things you want to ensure to do is to select a daily budget that is going to be enough to get you the kind of followers you actually want to achieve within the time frame that you want to achieve it. All right. Then here on the placement, you get select to where you want your ad to actually show on the Facebook ecosystem. So do you want it to show on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, or you just want it to show on Facebook alone, or only on, of course, if it's going to be for this is actually a Facebook account, so you want it to show on probably only Facebook, all right? But here Facebook is showing us an advantage placement, so it means that they're going to be showing it across the Facebook ads ecosystem. All right, so I think it's better you leave it on that. Then you can just ignore all of this pixel thing, all right, and then go on to your funding, and then maybe add funds if there are not enough funds in your ads account. So the reason why it's not asking me to, the reason why it's showing publish here is because there are funds in this ads account. For you, if there are no ads in the ads account, sorry, if there are no funds in the ads account you're going to be using, you may not see this publish button right here. So until you add fund, all right. So anyways, when you're about to, publish the ad, it will now show you to add funds. All right, so if I click on add funds, I want to show you something you need to do that is very important. So you want to ensure that you select Naira payment with Mastercard or pay with transfer. If you select the first option, which is this debit or credit card, you're going to be setting yourself up for problems, and that is because you're going to be creating a payment method that might eventually fail. All right, so you want to ensure that whenever you're going to be funding, you add funds using PayU, or if the option to make payment through transfer is available. All right, so you're selecting Naira payments with Mastercard instead of debit or credit card payment, because if you select this, just like I've said earlier, you're going to be creating a postpaid account and you're going to be having issues with the payments later on. So some of these things are what I also talked about more in depth in my um course. All right, so getting that course is going to really help you if you don't already know how to run ads, especially if you don't have a laptop, or even if you have a laptop, but then you're always with your mobile phone and you want to be able to set things up on your mobile phone so that you can set up ads on the go. All right, so the course is going to be really useful for you. All right, like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to my WhatsApp in the description of this video so that you can come chat me up if you're interested in the course, and then we can have a conversation on how to get you on board. So at the time of creating this video, which is on the 16th of February 2024, the course is still selling for $5, and that is because it is on pre-order. But subsequently, when you're going to be watching this video, maybe a few months down the line in 2024, it's no longer going to be that. So don't be surprised when you come and I tell you a setting price. All right, so that is very, very simple. So once you've published your ad, you've gotten everything right, just ensure that you set up your audience to the right people you actually want to see your ad, so that you don't get all kinds of people actually following you, and then at the end of the day, your purpose for actually getting followers, which is anyways to monetize, won't be achieved. So you want to ensure that you set up your audience to get the right kind of people you want to see your ads. Once you're done, just click on publish, and then your ad gets into review and it starts to run. And then, as the days go by, you start to see a lot more followers flooding into your account, and of course be happy for it. All right, so that's on this tutorial. Like I said, it was really going to be short, but I do believe you've gotten value from this tutorial. Please do not forget to hit on the like button and also share it to your network if you believe that they would also benefit from watching this tutorial as well. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on notifications so that you won't miss out when we post similar videos like this, showing you how to make money online and also how to take advantage of Facebook and Instagram ads to grow your visibility in the online space. All right, so see you in subsequent tutorials, and bye for now.